Hi, I'm Ms. Reichert and I teach the following courses: Art 1, Intro to Design, Interactive Design, and Photoshop. I'd like to take a few minutes to share the courses with you. Art 1 is an introductory class into the study of art and design. Students will develop an understanding of the elements and principles of art. Projects will focus on basic composition, drawing, shading, and measuring skills, as well as the overall quality of individual artwork. The purpose of this class is to build skills in art and design, as well as developing a strong work ethic. This is an important foundation class for those wishing to continue to the study of art and design. Intro to Design will focus on projects that are specific to certain design careers, including graphic design, illustration, industrial design, character design, typography, page layout, and more. This class will teach students the foundations of design and the design process. Students will connect the work that is done with paper and pencil to the finished digital work that results in various design careers. Students will receive an introduction to the Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Animate, Premiere Pro, and InDesign programs. They will gain experience using the programs to enhance and finish projects. This class is for any student that plans to continue with other design foundation classes or plans to complete the credential pathway for graduation.
Animate is an easy software to make a character by moving the ligaments to create a motion and to make something, and easily you just use the frames to create something like this as a walking motion, and through that you can easily make an animation of a character.
Really teaches you how to use the different programs, how to use all the different types of tools on the programs to create basically whatever you want. I'm very interested in design, and this class allows me to use all the different kinds of programs. It teaches you how to use the programs. It allows us to create characters that we want and just how to make them move or how to make them come to life, really. And I just made this beautiful creature out of combining a bunch of different things together, and you can really make anything your own when you go into a design class like this.
Photoshop is a project-based course detailing step-by-step techniques for working in Photoshop, including how to correct, enhance, and distort digital images, create image composites, and prepare images for print and the web. The course is aligned to the objectives required for students to be successful in their future digital career and to satisfy the objectives for the Adobe Certified Expert exam. Interactive Design is a project-based curriculum that teaches digital communication skills in the context of professional animation and interactive design process using Adobe Animate tools. Interactive Design develops 4 key skill areas: project management and collaboration, design, research and communication, and professional interactive media authoring tools. Projects in the course include game design and planning, building a flash game, and constructing a portfolio. The course is aligned to the objectives required for students to be successful in their future digital career and to satisfy the objectives for the Adobe Associate exam.